Hi, yeah, it's me again, Neil from Ellen James. Well, you all know that I do kitchens and bathrooms, new build or domestic replacement. So this is a job that I've been working on all week. It's a new kitchen. Fortunately, I didn't have to strip it out. But anyway, let's have a little look around and just show you what I've done. So this is going to have worktops. They're having stone worktops put in this kitchen afterwards. I'm not doing it. They've got a contractor in, but let's take a little step back and you might be able to get a good view of it all. Nice little centre island. That's going to have a breakfast bar bit coming over here, about 300 millimetres, something like that. Let's come and have a little look and just show you a little bit of detail what I've been doing. Nice pull out. What do you call them? Bins. So they're quite nice. Really nice actually. All got soft close hinges. Customer's own freestanding washing machine that fits in there nice and snug. Check out this bit of pipe work. Look at all nice and neat. Dishwasher, washing machine, so they're all labelled so you know what's what. Super duper, little slimline dishwasher there. We haven't got a dishwasher. God, that sun's bright outside, shining off my bald spot. Look at that. I need to dust it down a wee bit. And look at that lovely little bit of neat pipe work inside that. I've seen some rubbish that people have done, you know, proper kitchen fitters. This is having what's called a cooker, Q-U-A-K-E-R, something like that. I don't know how you spell it. It's a bit of a stupid word if you ask me. But that unit there is instant hot boiling water. I don't know if you can see it. It's only tiny. There's about 3 litres or something in there. And that's a funky tap. I don't know if you can see that with the light shining on it. Yeah, look, that's a funky tap. So that'll get fitted once the worktops have gone in, and that's going to be situated about here. And so you turn it on and you've got instant boiling water. So you know, instead of boiling your kettle, you know, you just come straight out of the tap. I guess it's nice. Who knows? I've never used one. Integrated fridge freezer. Look at that. Oh God, look at that. There's my chocolates. That's what's been keeping me going. Lovely customers been buying me chockies and biscuits and God knows what else. Right, behind here, look at that nice little bit of box in there. Behind here, look at all that pipe work. All down there, look at that. Haven't I made that nice and neat? Customers over the moon when he saw that. Absolutely over the moon. Mind you, so was I. So another little thing that I've done, which wasn't in the spec, but the customer wanted nice tall cupboards, and I said, well, do they go up to the ceiling? He's like, well, yeah, I'd like them to, but they don't. Anyway, so I said, why don't we just box over the top? So this is what we've done. So we've got the normal pelmet here, and I've just cut a panel which fits nice and snug up to the ceiling, and it blends in really, 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 really nicely. I mean, you can see that up there. Look at that, absolutely spanking. And so I've got another little job from the old Sparky, and he's going to put some LED strips going across there, and with them shining up onto the ceiling, it will actually look the bee's knees. Over here as well, we've got, I just stuck these in to say this is an additional extra. In the middle, the all-important beer fridge. Most man's kitchen's got to have a beer fridge, hasn't it? And 2 little cupboards next to it for the glasses. Anthony Behan, hello. Michelle Wilson, hello. It's lovely to see you both. Thanks very much for watching. 2 things that I don't like about kitchens: dust and the bloody rubbish. Right, look at all this cardboard. Cardboard there, cardboard there, cardboard over here. The other thing, polystyrene. Look at it, and there's loads outside as well. So the rubbish that comes out of a kitchen is really, really quite astounding. I'm very, very clean and tidy. I've asked the client if he's going to dispose of it, and he's happy that it's all going to go to recycling. Other than that, I would have taken it to recycling because I like to do things nice and clean. So that's Neil from Ellen James, and another Kitchen Bites of Dust. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.